Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure the Fire TV is on, connected to Wi-Fi, and the remote is paired. This avoids delays. Once ready, open Settings, then navigate to My Fire TV or Device and Software. Now you're going to reveal developer options. Highlight About, find the build number, and tap it 7 times. You'll see a short countdown and a message that developer options are enabled. This enables a DB and installation features you'll need next. After the developer reveal, open Developer Options in My Fire TV. This is where Advanced toggles live. Turn on ADB debugging to allow a computer or app to send commands, and enable apps from unknown sources only when you trust the source. Make sure to confirm any on-screen prompts. If you plan to use a DB, keep the Fire TV awake and note its IP address in network settings so your computer can connect. This prevents dropped connections during install. To finish, test the setup. From your PC, run a DB Connect IP and accept the pairing dialog shown on the TV so you know ADB works. Install any trusted apps, then for safety turn off apps from unknown sources if you do not need them permanently. If developer options vanish or act strangely, reboot the Fire TV and tap the build number 7 times again. This usually restores the menu. If a DB won't pair, check IP, firewall, and that both devices are on the same network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.